Stop. Before you scroll, answer this honestly. If your salary doubled tomorrow, would your life actually change? Or would your expenses just grow with it? You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're stuck because nobody taught you the system. And today I'm exposing it. Right now, your money flows in one direction. From you to expenses, rent, food, subscriptions, loans. Everything takes from you, but nothing pays you back. The wealthy don't just earn money. They build machines that earn for them. Assets, systems, investments. While they sleep, an asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out. Most people confuse the two, and that mistake cost them decades. Your car loan is not an asset. Your credit card points are not an investment, and your savings account is losing value every year. Inflation is silent. It doesn't ask permission. It slowly makes your money weaker. Every year, quietly. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you're moving backward. So what's the solution? You need income that doesn't require your daily presence. This is called leverage, money working, time compounding, systems multiplying. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Small, consistent investments become powerful over time. Most people think investing is gambling. It's not. Gambling is random. Investing is calculated ownership. When you buy a share, you own a piece of a real business generating real money. Stocks are ownership. Bonds are lending. Real estate is controlled assets. Different tools, different purposes. Smart investors use all strategically. Index funds remove emotion. Instead of guessing winners, you own the entire market. One fund, hundreds of companies. Trying to time the market is ego. Staying invested long-term is discipline. Time beats timing. Volatility is normal. Prices go up, prices go down. But long-term growth trends upward if the economy grows. Emergency fund first, investing second. If you skip this step, one crisis can destroy years of progress. 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's your safety baseline. Not luxury, stability. High-interest debt destroys wealth faster than bad investments. Credit cards at 20% are financial traps. Pay off toxic debt aggressively. Guaranteed return equals the interest you eliminate. Income is your engine. Investments are fuel multipliers. Without income growth, wealth grows slowly. Skill stacking increases income power. Communication, technology, sales, finance. Combine them. The AI era rewards creators, analysts, and problem solvers. Adapt or get automated. Multiple income streams reduce risk. One job equals single point of failure. Start small. Consistency beats intensity. $200 monthly invested consistently beats random large deposits. Automation removes emotion. Set auto invest. Let the system run without your fear interfering. Your lifestyle should grow slower than your income. That gap becomes your wealth. Rich people buy assets first. Poor people upgrade lifestyle first. Order determines outcome. Financial freedom equals assets producing more than your monthly expenses. When assets cover expenses, work becomes optional. Choice replaces pressure. This is not luck, not privilege, not magic. It's structure, discipline, time, and intelligent allocation. Asset allocation decides most of your long-term results. Not stock picking, not news, allocation. Young investors can take more risk. Time absorbs volatility. Older investors need stability. Diversification reduces damage. If one asset falls, another can rise. Never invest money you'll need next month. Short-term money belongs in safe accounts. Risk and reward are connected. Higher potential return usually means higher volatility. Market crashes are painful, but temporary. Panic selling turns temporary loss into permanent damage. Rebalancing keeps your portfolio aligned. Trim winners. Support underweight assets. Fees silently eat returns. A 1% fee over decades costs thousands. Low-cost index funds outperform most active managers long-term. Consistency builds confidence. Checking daily builds anxiety. Capital allocation is intentional. Every dollar must have a purpose before you spend it. Invest in yourself first. Skills produce the highest lifetime return. Information is everywhere. Discipline is rare. Execution separates outcomes. Short-term noise distracts from long-term wealth creation. Focus on controllables. Savings rate allocation behavior. Ignore what you cannot control. Time in the market beats timing the market. Wealth grows exponentially, but only after patience survives boredom. Every dollar you don't invest today must work twice as hard tomorrow. Delayed gratification builds financial power. Instant gratification builds dependency. Wealth is built quietly. Poverty is performed loudly. Active income trades time for money. Passive income separates the two. Side income is modern security. One skill online can create global leverage. The internet removed gatekeepers. Distribution is now digital. Content, coding, consulting, commerce. Pick one, master it, monetize it. AI is not your enemy. It is your multiplier if you control it. Automation scales output. Systems replace repetition. Business is solving problems at scale. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the income potential. Leverage uses other people's time, money, or technology. Taxes matter. After-tax return is what you actually keep. Tax advantage accounts accelerate wealth legally. Delayed taxes mean compounded growth on money you would have lost. Cash flow keeps businesses alive. Profit without cash flow is illusion. Recurring revenue creates predictability. Brand is trust. Trust converts attention into income. Reputation compounds like capital. Network equals opportunity velocity. Opportunities rarely look obvious at first. Wealth acceleration happens when income growth and investment growth align. Wealth starts in identity. If you see yourself as a spender, you'll act like one. If you see yourself as an investor, your decisions change. Habits build outcomes. Daily small financial decisions shape your future net worth. Discipline feels hard today. Regret feels harder tomorrow. Emotional control protects capital during chaos. Comparison destroys focus. Compete with your past self, not strangers online. Tracking numbers creates clarity. Clarity creates control. What gets measured improves. Small upgrades compound. 1% better daily transforms years. Patience is capital. Impulsiveness is cost. No one is coming to rescue your finances. Responsibility is power. Delayed rewards build permanent freedom. Security comes before luxury. Freedom is when your assets pay your bills.
If this changed how you see money, don't scroll away. Re-watch it. Apply it. Build it. Your future self is watching the decisions you make today.
Subscribe for more real financial systems. Like this video if you choose growth over comfort. And remember, wealth is built intentionally, not accidentally.